Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Asikhaveni indaba nje ezimbalwa zaku-PSL. Sokhuluma ngonda ukuthi ubuyile for i-Orlando Pirates but kakabi ready ukudlala. Nosisani naye ukhona laphana ejimini. uRivaldo Gutsiya bezama inhlanhla uSikhukhune United, izinto azange zihambe kahle. Mamelodi Sundowns new star uNuno Santos umvala potentially-ke mhlawumbe angadlala. Mamelodi Sundowns idlala neRichards Bay, imuve isikhathi segame to 8 o'clock. Ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns ayamdawutha uMiguel Cardoso, and then sikhulume-ke ngama-features lawo e-Carling knockout. Yiwo vele lawo esizoqala ngawo bafethu, because bakhiphe nama-date-ke manje ukuthi ama-team azodlala nini, kanjani, sikhathi bani, kuphi nendawo. Obviously-ke one of the biggest games-ke kusho ukuthi i-Carling knockout izoqala ngeyi-3, kusho ukuthi le viki lesiya kulo ngeyi-3 October, ngeyi-4 iyadlala, igcine ngeyi-5. 3, 4, 5. So nawo akama-match amakhulu. Kaizer Chiefs idlala neStellenbosch, Mamelodi Sundowns idlala neMarumo Gallants, Orlando Pirates idlala neSwelele FC. Ilokhu njana, i-Orlando Pirates ise-home laphana e-Orlando Stadium idlala ngeyi-4, kusho ukuthi Saturday ngo-3 o'clock. And then ilokhu njana, i-Mamelodi Sundowns nayo ise-home laphana e-Lucas Moripe idlala ngo-8 o'clock yona next week. I-Saturday vele wonke idlala Saturday, and then Kaizer Chiefs yona izodlala Sunday lena eCape Town e-DHL Stadium against iStellenbosch. Amanye ama-match esingawabheka esingakhuluma ngawo, i-Durban City idlala laphana eChatsworth, yes, Stadium idlala nePolokwane City. Orbit College izo-hosta i-TS Galaxy, yenza kahle kakhulu. And then i-Golden Arrows izolokhu njani, izo-hosta iSikhukhune United is highly motivated at the moment. Richards Bay izodlala neChippa United, siyazi ukuthi izinto iChippa azihambeli kahle. AmaZulu azohosta iMagesi laphana eMoses Mabhida Stadium. Masiwa-unpack-a lama-match lawa siwabheka bafethu ukuthi imaphi ama-team potentially angaya to the next round. Mamelodi Sundowns, it's going to be a very tough game against iMarumo Gallants, but iMarumo Gallants, they've shown us something this season ukuthi ba-highly motivated, abasabumuntu. Every game nje bayakwazi ukulwa nokuthola ama-results. Already bakwazile ukudrawa nayo iMamelodi Sundowns. After iMamelodi Sundowns ikora kuqala, they don't give up. Bakwazile ukuthola ama-points against Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, ama-draws. So iMarumo Gallants akusisayide elula ukuthi udlale nalo. Kaizer Chiefs Stellenbosch, Kaizer Chiefs iyashaya iStellenbosch bafethu. I think it's just well, it's not going to be an easy win for Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke bajwayele ukushaya iStellenbosch. But-ke maybe iStellenbosch naso sizovuka emaqandeni sithi awu ngeke nisishaya njalo, niyikwazela ibhece njalo, bazame mhlawumbe ukulungisa lokho. But yeah, I don't see Stella izishaya ilokhu njana i-Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates iswelela yenzeka asenzi kahle at all bafethu. Potential, I don't see Swelele share Orlando Pirates highly motivated, and I want to see ama-big 3 advance to top 8 ukuthi sikwazi ukuba nama-match amanye amakhulu, or potentially ama-big 3 wonke abe ku-semi-final. Sazi ukuthi ku-finally sinama-big 3, ku-finally sine-big 2 vele ku-South African football. But yeah, yiwo ama-match lawo wangelokhu njani one-next week bafethu. Asimuveni kwezinye iy'ndaba laphana. iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala nelokhu njani kusasa ne-Richards Bay. They had to move i-game to 8 o'clock late, accommodate ikhathi washa wacima, but-ke yiba benze kanjalo. Maybe babona ukuthi okay kudlala Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs amanye ama-match waku-CAF. Orlando Pirates idlala laphana ku-CAF. Well, baya-leader vele 3-0 already, so badlala ne-team yaseLesotho. There's nothing is gonna happen. Orlando Pirates will just advance. I-team yaseLesotho ayinayo i-firepower, i-pedigree yokuthi ikwazi ukubuya from i-3-0. Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't think Richards Bay izobanika i-problem, but-ke recent days iMamelodi Sundowns akusiyo iMamelodi Sundowns lesijwayele, so baney'nkinga zabo nabo on a personal level. Asazi ukuthi maybe Richards Bay izoya egamini motivated ukuthi potentially bakwazi ukuthola ama-points against iMamelodi Sundowns. Ezinye iy'ndaba ezinhle, there's something uNda we-Orlando Pirates bafethu, there's something I don't understand. uNda kudala wa-recover lo muntu lo, maybe sena 2 months manje wa-recover, but kuthiwa manje Orlando Pirates ithi yona uNda abafuna ukumriska, bafuna nje ithatha izinto kancane because abafuna ukurisk ukuthi injury yakhe ibuye. Sazi ukuthi maybe kunenkinga internal, we don't know, but uNda ngimbonile atraina namhlanje ne-Orlando Pirates, so maybe azikho iy'nkinga, just they are cautious because uNda ubuya ku-long term injury. But-ke una-2 months bafethu ejim mfowethu, 2 months ejim. So kusho ukuthi it's getting close because akusuNda kuphela. Yes, noSesane laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ngimbonile ejima, so kunesikhashana naye ejima kancane kancane. Uyabuya umfana, sithembe ukuthi bazoba fully fit soon, ukuthi laphana ku-defense babe ne-depth, especially heading to i-continental level. Imagine if they throw against a team as strong la kuma-prelim rounds or stages lawo qualify to ama-group stages, so it's not gonna be easy. They really need i-squad sabo sonke ukuthi sibe powerful ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results nanokuthi babe highly competitive overall. But yeah, i-medical staff ye-Orlando Pirates yiyo decide uku-approach i-situation kanje. I mean singaya kwezinye-ke bafethu ezimbalwa ukuthi iSikhukhune United besi-expected ukuthi sizosayina uRivaldo Gutsia, but sokuphuma ama-report ukuthi uRivaldo Gutsia ngathi uphinde wathola enye injury. Actually, if this is true bafethu, I mean this is really sad ukuthi umuntu ubuya ku-long term injury kanje. Bayamzama laphana kuSikhukhune United, bayambiza ukuthi bazombona potential bamnike i-contract, but-ke again uyalimala laphana. Hey, that's not cool, that's not good at all. Potentially-ke maybe isikhathi sokuthi a-retire if ama-injuries amhlupha kanje. Kuyacaca phela ukuthi if usazolimala namanje ukuthi lama-injuries lawa ayamlandela ngempela, hhayi indaba yokudlala. So naye maybe kumele avele athi azame ukwenza enye into empilweni. Phela ngeke uRivaldo Gutsia bafethu amlandela ama-injury before ajoyine iMamelodi Sundowns, saseku-Ajax wenza i-medical, wafeyila i-medical laphana efunwa i-team yase-Scotland. But-ke simfisela inhlanhla ukuthi akwazi ukurecover. Ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns ayamdawutha, amaningi bafethu ayamdawutha uMiguel Cardoso, bathi i-identity yeMamelodi Sundowns ayisafani. Potentially-ke bona badinga ucoach ozodlala i-style sabo. Cracks laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns nelokhunjana noMiguel Cardoso. Lose ama-game unnecessary, but-ke I mean it was the first game lose i-game. Potentially maybe will grow from the experience leyo ukulose ama-game, especially ukulose against i-Golden Arrows. I mean it's a real pain for Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi balose from ex or former employee yabo uManqoba Mnqethi. They wanted to win the game, obviously, to stay laphana bacompete nabo Sekhukhune United laphana phezulu. Singabona umvala bafethu soon laphana athole i-game time, because last time Mamelodi Sundowns idlala uCupid uthole i-injury, sabona umvala vele angena emreplace, but sobona ukuthi ubani uzodlala nawo umvala. But inkinga kaMvaleni eningi ukuthi ama-tackle wakhe akawathayimi kahle, isikhathi esiningi unokuthola ama-tackles wrong, and then consider ama-foul unnecessary. Potentially-ke maybe nama-penalty if they can push, if khona umvala mlande straight, then uzokwenza amaphutha umvala, bamthagethe nje isikhathi esiningi. But-ke yeah, he's one of the most aggressive defenders. I-presence yakhe ibalulekile for iMamelodi Sundowns umvala. So vala-ke ngeplayer lelokhunjana bafethu leMamelodi Sundowns, uNuno Santos. Isitawu mfowethu sibone nje 45 minutes from yena nje kuphela, but we realize immediately ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns basayine i-superstar, umuntu ozoba important ngempela for iMamelodi Sundowns. Whether uyayithanda iMamelodi Sundowns ayithandi, but when you see someone olaziyo kumele umshayele izandla. Well, you don't have to shayela them izandla, but kumele acknowledge ukuthi yabo uyalazi. Why? Proper development bafethu yase-Europe. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.